Kanarpu Border Area Joint Action Committee Henin Kasni Klakarpat no Menteri Rangba Ukanrat ke Sangma Bante Thymmai ka C&Rd Block Lumshnong Nabaki Patba Kia Kendu Jing Shibun Banyo Eka Jing Sumar ka Bapaka Ka committee ka laong baki Patba Jangkate ka Than ki Kwa Eka C&Rd Block Thymmai Kanang Bakani kan Wanra Eka Jing Jan Hapedeng ki Bor Penyat Haba ai Jing Kren Chekilat Pathai Kubor wa Assistant Rangba Shnong ka Kiang uba ken jaimon amsi ulaong baka jing tay yakani ka block kan ai jing mentoy shibun iki patba jangbun tli kishnong.
And time and again we have been meeting the CM for many couple of times, and earlier also the CM has said that we are going to give the block. However, they have to analyze and study all the relevant materials as to why or why not should be given the block. And today, as the CM said, it's not about the politics or it's not about the election coming. However, it's because of the demand of the public which have been made for the past few years. And as have been said earlier, on the 26th November, not only they will put the foundation stone, they'll directly open an office, including the video and audit official, which will start functioning from the next working day itself. And as requested, Lumshnong and the KHASI are happily willing to give a plot of land for the permanent office for the future use. And